We may look a bit shabby, but we've got hearts.
And feelings, too.
And just to prove it to you, we're gonna let you join our little group.
Kid, we'd like to make you an honorary vulture.
Thanks, but I'd rather be on my own alone.
Oh, now look, kid. Everybody's got to have friends. Hey, fellas, are we his friends?
We're your friends.
They're your friends.
We're your friends to the bitter end. When you're done in, who hangs around to buck you up when you are down? And when you're out for the count, who picks you up off the floor?
That's what friends are for.
And when you're lost in dire need, who's at your side at lightning speed? And when you're outside looking in, who's there to open the door?
That's what friends are for.
You know the zebra, the hyena, and the kangaroo. The cobra and the lion all agree it's true. We're fond of every creature coming down the pike.
In fact, they never met an animal they didn't like.
Who offers near? Who are your chums? Prepare to pounce when danger comes. Who's always eager to extend a friendly claw?
That's what friends are for.
You know the armadillo, elephant, and wild boar.
The cheetah and the anteater, they adore.
We even dined with the rhino and his shiny spike.
In fact, they never met an animal they didn't like.
So you can see,
we're friends in need.
and friends in need
Are friends indeed.